enormous number of built-in functions such as date time functions, conversion functions, format functions, math functions, array functions, string functions. Okay. Now, if you take the date functions, these are functions which are used for describing the date, its value, the format of the date, the day, and if you want to check whether today what is the date, is date, like that. We've got so many functions which will describe the date and time functions. For example, the function C is capital, date D is capital. This function converts a valid date and time expression to the variant of subtype date. Okay, this will have a conversion function. This is a conversion function. Next, we have got date itself. Returns the system date. What is the current date of the system where you work in? That date will be returned by the function called as date. Okay. Then if you take is date. Okay, is date. There is a function is date. It returns a Boolean value that indicates if the expression can be converted to a date. Okay, Boolean value means you will get true or false value. Is date. This date can be converted into a expression that will be done by the is date function. Okay, so then minute is another function. Minute. The minute will return a number that represents the minute of the hour. For example, it will be between 0 to 59. Both are inclusive, 0 and 59. Totally, we have 0 to 60 seconds now. So it will be calculating from 0, 1, 2, 3, and goes on till 59. Then there is a function called as month. The month will return the month of the year. The month of the year will be from 1 to 12. What is the month of the year? Okay. So these are some of the examples of VB script functions that are already built in by the VB scripts constructs. Okay. So these are date and time functions. And we have the conversion functions that can be used to convert a variant to a Boolean type, or from one type to another type. If you want to do that, we can have certain conversion functions. The functions that describe the conversions are cbool, converts an expression to a variant of subtype Boolean. It will convert the expression into a Boolean type. What is a Boolean type? Boolean type is a data type where it will return either true or false value. Then cbyte, cbyte, it will convert an expression to a byte type. Okay, then cdate, as I told you, it converts it into a date type. So like the cint converts an expression to a integer type. So the conversion functions, you put C before the keyword C into C long, C date, C byte means it will convert into the particular subtype. Either it is integer or long or date or Boolean, like that. Okay. Then we have got format functions, functions which are used to format an expression. For example, some of the examples are format currency. It returns an expression formatted as a currency value. Currency value means India means it will be rupees, in America means it is dollar, like that. What is the value that it has been in a format? It will return to that value. It returns an expression formatted as a currency value. Returns an expression formatted as a number. Number, an expression formatted as a number. So these are some of the format functions example, format functions. Then another functions are the math functions. Math functions are, you know what is a math. For example, I want to calculate absolute number or the sine, cos, trigonometric functions, log. Those functions are said to be math. Generally, we have all these things in Excel, in C++, we have all these things. We have this, the math functions. Some of the examples of math functions are ABS. ABS is a function that returns absolute value of a specific number. Absolute value. Then log. Log returns the natural logarithmic of a specified number. What is a log? Log 10. Like that. It will return the specific number natural logarithmic. Then sine. Sine is a function that will specify sign of a specified number. Sign 90 is 1. Like that, you have studied in the school days, sign value, cos value, etc. Then another example is square, SQR, square. That square root, if you want to find the square root of a number, we can make use of the function SQR, which will return the square root of a specified number. Square root of 25 will be, answer is 5. Like that, these functions are examples of math where we can use it in the VB script language. Then we have got array functions, functions that are employed with the arrays, use of array. Array itself is a function where the array returns a variant containing an array. It will define that it is an array. Then is array, is, this is a single word. Whenever you use two words in as a function name, it must be combinedly used. Is array, is date, like that. Is array returns a Boolean value which indicates whether a specified variable is an array or not. Okay, then U bound, L bound, upper bound and lower bound. U bound means what is the, in array we have the subscript with the starting and ending. Array will have a group of elements which is having a subscript, what is the starting and what is the ending. U bound will return the largest subscript. Okay, 0 to 10 means the 10 is the largest subscript, and L bound will return the lowest. That is the smallest subscript. So in order to know what is the lowest and largest and smallest subscript of an array, we can go for this L bound and U bound functions of array. Okay, then we have got string functions. String function, string is a group of characters, everyone knows that. String functions, I want to trim, I want to find the length, I want to replace one word with one letter with another, like that. If you want to have these kind of works, we can go for the string functions. Okay, for example, len, len will return the number of characters in a string. For example, if you are using the function len of college, means it will return COLLEGE, that is COLLEGE. 7 letters are there. Okay, COLLEGE, 7 letters are there. It will return the value as 7 if you use that. Then trim, another function, trim string function, removes the space on left side and right side of a string. If you want to remove the space on left side and right side, we can go for the function called as trim. So I want to reverse the case. Case means lowercase and uppercase, capital letter and small letter. We can go for case conversion and string reverse also. College should be in opposite way, EGELLOC. Like that, if you want to make, then go for the function string reverse, str reverse. Then if you want to convert the space case means uppercase to lowercase, we can go for the function uCase. Okay, so these are some of the built-in functions that are mentioned in the, or that can be used in the VB script programming language. Okay, you get of these functions. It is very difficult to remember all, but instead you can make use of at least few functions in the which are there in the category. Get function, conversion, VB script function. You just write this.